without Guru, if he is manufacturing his way of life, then he is murha, rascal. Therefore it is said, murha. You are thinking, I am so affectionate father, I am taking care of my son, little son. In all respect, I am feeding him, I am patting him, so many things I do. I am very faithful, I am very honest father. But Shastra says, here is a murha, rascal. You see here, it says, bhojayan panayan murha. Why is murha? Na vedam agatam antakam. He does not say, does not know that behind me the death is awaiting. He has come to take me. Now, how your affection for your so-called son and society and family and nation will save you. Here is death. That he cannot. He cannot answer. The death is there. So we shall be prepared. That is human life. We must always know that there is death behind me. At any moment he can capture my neck and take it. That's a fact. Is there any guarantee that you shall live 100 years? No. Even just after few seconds, if you go to the street, you may immediately be dead. There may be heart failure, there may be motor accident, there may be something. So, to live is wonderful. To die is not wonderful. Because you are meant for death. As soon as you took your birth, immediately you begin to die. Immediately. If you inquire, when the child is born, you say 1 week. That means he has died 1 week. We are taking that he is living 1 week, but actually he has died 1 week. That is wonderful. That is still he is living, he has not died. So, death is not wonderful, because it is sure, it will come after 1 week or after 100 years. That is not wonderful. So long you live, that is wonderful. So we should utilize this time to make solution of the life that we are repeatedly dying and again accepting another body. So how they will understand? Unless they come to the proper Guru.